teach you how to animate stuff in Rec Room. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to equip our Maker Pen. So if we go into our watch, go to Backpack, and if you want to make it easier, click Favorite, and you can grab it from the left and right. But click Use, and it should just appear in front of you. Okay, now to get started, we're going to open our Maker Pen, go to Palette, click Search. I want to search for an animation gizmo. Now, there's an animation controller and animation gizmo. I would recommend using the animation gizmo because it is just easier to animate on it. So we're gonna spawn that in. Now we're gonna spawn in a cube. Just make that a bit bigger. This is going to be our example. So we're gonna go to Tools and we're gonna click Connect. Now we're gonna connect this top nub, where you can see the little gear icon. We're gonna connect that over to our cube. Now this is attached to the animation gizmo now. So we're gonna go to our Maker Pen. I want to go click Edit of the top left of the Maker Pen. We're gonna click on the animation gizmo. Okay, so we are now in the animation gizmo, and we can't touch anything else that we haven't connected to the animation gizmo. So we can only touch what we've connected. So as you can see, we've connected that, and that line is there. So we're gonna add, and then we're gonna click on our cube. So we've got our first frame here. So it comes in different frames as you would see in a movie. It takes a lot of frames to make a movie. So we're gonna, for our first, we're just gonna move it forward. And then we're gonna go in again and add. Then we're gonna move it up. Go back in and add. Move it here. Add. Move it down. Click add. And move it back to its original spot. And now, if you click play, it's gonna move like an animation, of course. So just to do that again, we're just gonna remove. So to do that again, we're gonna go in, add. You can really do whatever you want with it. So we're gonna make it go like that. I want to click add. And make it go down. Add. You can make it move wherever you want, to be fair. We're gonna move it over there. Add. Move it up there. Add. And wherever you want it to be its final position, that's where we make the final frame. So say we want it to end up here. There we go. That's our final frame. So now it moves. Whoop. Bada-bum. Bada-bum. Whoop. So if you want to make it faster, we're going to click on this frame. We're going to go to time and set it to whatever you want. So I'm going to set it to 0.8 seconds. And now it's going to move a little faster this time than our other one. You can see it moves a bit slower there, but it's going to move faster there because we made it, well, a little bit faster. And if you want to make it longer to go, we're going to make that, we'll say 3 seconds. Save. Play, and it's going to play the rest of the animation just as is. See how it's going up very slow now? Let's actually change the time to 3. Now, smooth is just has it to where it has smoother playback and just smoother frames in general. So it'll go like that now, to where it's a little bit more smoother and not kind of like, you know, not rectangle where it just goes bum, 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 bum. It makes it where it's a bit more dynamic, if you would say. Now for these in and linear, I don't really know what they mean myself, so just leave them clear. But let's say we wanted to add 2 things into the Maker Pen, into the animation gizmo. So let's grab another cube for example. There we go. Now we've got 2 cubes. So we're going to connect that one to the animation gizmo. So now that cube are both now in the animation gizmo. So we're going to edit into it. We're going to click add a frame. And you can move these however you want. You can move them simultaneously, which can go like that. We're going to add. Or you can just make them go different ways. So we're going to make that guy go up there. And we're going to make that cube go up there. And then you can make them clash even. So we're going to go like that. Like that. That's what you can do with the animation gizmo pretty much. You just allow it to make stuff do stuff like you'd see in common animations. So now we got that. We're gonna play it. So we can see they go perfect with each other. I would always mostly recommend have it smooth on, apart from if it kind of goes all over the place. Now, to get it to actually play in real time, we're going to go to configure. We're going to configure this little red nub here at the 0. We're going to click play. And now, this will always be playing in a loop. So if you want it to not go in a loop, you can click configure. We can go here and we can click stop at end. This is going to make it to where it, well, guessed it, it stops at the end. Except it's not stopping at the end. Okay, I'm not sure why it's not stopping, but if you do turn it on, it will stop. So we can even go into playback mode and click ping pong, where it'll just go back and forth, as you can see, and then it'll go back the way it came. And that's really how to use the animation gizmo. So, yeah. And if you want to go and change the speed, we can change the speed to go to 500. So we can see it's going faster. I want to change it to 1000. We can do that. Now, it doesn't change on here for some reason, but as you can clearly see, it is going 1000 at the speed limit. So, that was the video, and I hope you did enjoy. And if you want more tutorials like that, feel free to comment what tutorials you'd want. So, yeah, thanks for watching the video, and I hope you did learn something, and I'll see you in the next one.